గోల్డ్ ట్రస్టెడ్ గోల్డ్ బయర్స్ మీరు తాకట్టు పెట్టిన బంగారాన్ని విడిపించి ఈ రోజు ఉన్న మార్కెట్ ధరకు కొనబడను.
యాజ్ అ మేకప్ ఆర్టిస్ట్, యాజ్ అ ఉమెన్ మీకుండే కష్టాలు ఏంటి అంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు లైక్ వాళ్ళ వెంటనే పరిగెడుతూ ఉండాలి. యూ హ్యావ్ టు సీ వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ స్వెటింగ్ ఆర్ కరెక్ట్గా మేకప్ స్కిన్ టోన్ కరెక్ట్గా ఉందా, మేకప్ ఎక్కువ అవ్వకుండా మళ్ళీ తక్కువ అవ్వకుండా అన్ని బ్యాలెన్స్ చేసుకుంటూ ఉండాలి. డైరెక్టర్ చెప్పింది వినాలి. యూ హ్యావ్ టు రన్ 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 త్రూ అవుట్ ద డే. సో ఆ స్ట్రగుల్ గురించి చెప్పండి.
It is there, like I totally agree, but at the end of the day you don't feel like such, like for me per se, because I'll be watching what we're shooting on the screen, and I'll be running to where the shot is being taken to give him touch up, and then again running back to see how he looks on the screen. So once you see your actor looking good on the screen and giving that shot, you forget how hot it is, you forget you're sweating, you're tanning, your skin is burning, nothing you remember of. You can only see him on the screen and you know how beautiful it looks. And you know that your work looks good. And the director is happy, DOP is happy. So, these little, you can say boosts of energy on set keeps us going. And also very good thing about Bala sir is that he doesn't give a lot of takes. He's an actor. Maximum for a very difficult shot also 3 takes. That's it. Like he'll come, he'll give the take, okay, and he'll go back. So that also makes my life easier, because the longer he's there under the sun or in front of those harsh lights, the more my makeup will melt. So that is the very thing, he makes my life easy.
Okay, what type of products use చేస్తారు మేకప్ కి ఆయనకి?
all branded only, all Benefic, Bobbi Brown, Makeup Forever.
What is his skin type like? పర్లేదా, అడ్జస్ట్ అవుతుందా మేకప్, లేదంటే చాలా కష్టపడాల్సి వస్తుందా?
No, his skin is nice only. Just that over the years of not taking very good care of it. But actually, because for 2.5 years I was doing his skin almost every day, because we were shooting continuously, and that also improved his skin a lot. Like whatever little pigmentation and all he had, because obviously that happens, he's in harsh lights for 12 hours in a day, that happens. That improved, and he's an actor who will listen. So if you tell him that sir, do this, like, or let me do this, give you a face massage or something, he won't stop you. He'll be like, okay, you have 20 minutes in the morning, you do whatever you want in those 20 minutes. He'll sit in the chair, he'll not disturb. After those 20 minutes, you don't irritate him. So that way, he's a nice actor. And yeah, he lets me experiment in everything, like even for Veer Simharangi, the younger look, where he just has a beard here. That look was like it's a drastic change if you see on the screen. Because in his older one, he has a complete full beard. And then cut to younger one, he has just this little shaping here, that's it. So that also looks very good on the screen. And he's an actor who can carry a lot of styles, because his face shape is very nice. He has his features are very charismatic. A lot of things will go very good on him. So, we didn't feel for once that, oh, what if it doesn't look good? Like, we knew he'll look good.
He has very cute little face, right?
He has, so I'll tell you one thing, his eyes, I don't think a lot of people have noticed it, but his eyes have a blue rim on the side. So when you take close-ups, of his face, close framings, it looks very impactful. He doesn't have like basic everyone normal eyes.
Okay.
Yeah. And he can give expressions for a long time. Like he won't blink, he'll just keep looking and giving expression.
He'll be like yeah. And people will compare him with lion.
That is a very good comparison, a very apt one also. He is for sure. When he enters on set, the whole aura of set itself changes.
ఆయన మొబైల్ యూజ్ చేస్తుంటారా? సోషల్ మీడియా కానివ్వండి, వాట్సాప్, ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ అలాంటివి వాడుతూ ఉంటారా?
He only uses WhatsApp. He personally doesn't use social media. He doesn't have time also. Like he's a very busy person. But I have also seen him, how fans will get their number and then give them a call and all. I have seen him call them back also. Yes. He'll be like, बोर हो रहा है अभी, शॉट को टाइम है, क्या करेंगे, चलो चाय के साथ बातें करते हैं. You'll see किसका कॉल आया, ये अननोन नंबर को कॉल करेंगे. Just call and talk randomly.
He'll call randomly.
Yeah.
He'll speak, huh?
Yeah, he'll talk like how are you, where are you from, and everything.
These calls will get viral. Do you know that? Have you seen?
I know.
Okay. He'll ask call करके कैसे हो, फैमिली कैसा है, ये पूरा पूछते उन लोग.
I have sat with him on morning breakfast tea and seen this happen.
Okay. How much long? Like ఎంతసేపు మాట్లాడతారు ఫోన్ లో?
Just some 5-10 minutes, that's it.
That's more than enough for them.
He'll be
They'll
like,
chill rest of the life.
yeah, he'll be like, my morning entertainment will happen and someone will become happy. I'll make someone else's day today. Chalo, let's call someone.
How sweet, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Do he sings in leisure time? Like he's more into classical song. He likes more.
There are 2 songs that he have recorded, like in his own voice, and he'll always keep playing and he'll sing them, and he has a very good throw in his voice, no? So it comes out also nice.
Like what type of songs?
He's recorded. Okay, so on his set, if you like go meet him, he'll probably play that. There's a song which he's recorded, which is like named Unstoppable, which they picked Unstoppable for his show from that song itself.
Okay.
He has sang that song completely. It has a rap sequence in it also. And then there is a devotional song which he's sang. So he'll keep singing these songs throughout the day.
Okay. Kids తో ఎలా ఉంటారు?
Oh, he'll play with them nicely. So in this film also, our director sir's, Gopi sir's son is playing a small character. And they nicely used to chill. His name is Satvik. He's very energetic kid, okay. He'll keep running around, he'll keep doing some mischief. Bala sir is exactly the same. He'll match that energy when they're on set and
He'll play.
He'll completely match that energy.
Okay. He'll talk like that and he'll play like that, and his actions also.
Yeah.
Okay. And do you remember any few other moments, like people won't be known, like few crazy moments?
Crazy moments, there are a lot with him, because I have also traveled with him, like we used to have our flights also. So he doesn't like traveling alone. He prefers having someone, because luggage and all will be there. So he's like, एक साथ मेरा and मेरे team का ticket एक साथ करा दो, so that will be easy. So there used to be times when we're traveling with him only, so that car will come and there'll be security, because he's also a politician. So he needs security. And we're just standing there going like, oh wow. Like, there'll be a chauffeur to take our luggage and everything, and we're like, oh, okay, this all also happens. For him, he has to have that, right? He can't wait at the belt for his own luggage. But there has been times where we are like, sir, we'll have to wait for half an hour in the lounge till, they bring everything. We'll only take and go. And he actually waited with us there. Like, he stood with us at the belt and saying like, okay, we'll only take it and go. So, that way you don't feel like, oh, he's such a big person, he's a politician and he's intimidating. Like, he's a person at the end of the day. And he also believes that. And that is how he will be with you. Like, he'll joke around and he'll power play. But at the end of the day, he'll be very nice and he'll be like a normal person. So that is something which I think I like, because a lot of actors will have that thing of, oh, I am an actor. And if I am sitting, you can't sit next to me. Like that.
Zero attitude.
Zero attitude. Very down to earth. Very down to earth. And not just to us. Like, not just to his team, or not just because we're girls. to other people also. It's just that you should not don't be scared of him, don't fumble in front of him, because then he feels like you're doing overaction to get footage. Just be normal, he'll be very normal. Respect him, he'll respect you.
Do you have any friends in the industry?
Yeah, I have a lot of people here. Also, I have my mentors in Bombay also. Here, not a lot of makeup artist friends per se, but I have friends like DOPs are there, and directors are there, you know, co-directors. If I feel like something, I'll just give them a call and be like, what do I do?
Okay.
Because there's always a language barrier, and I don't know if, you know, someone is good enough for, you know, me to go there and work, or a project is good enough, or, you know, will they treat me properly? So I have my people, I'll call them, and I have good people, like they'll even come to different states to make sure I'm safe. So
And for more videos,
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe iDream.
And please subscribe to iDream.
For more videos, subscribe to iDream.
please like, share and subscribe to the channel.
Congratulations, iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
So subscribe to iDream Media.
iDream ki iDream team andarki huge congratulations.
Please subscribe iDream Media.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
iDream అంటే నా కళల ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న నోరు తిరుగుతలేదు, మీరైతే గంట గుర్తు కొట్టండి.
For more such videos, please subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe iDream Media.
Please do subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream Media.
For best entertainment and information, please subscribe iDream.
And don't forget to subscribe to iDream.